So several weeks after the Kolkata rape and murder horror, the West Bengal Assembly unanimously has passed the anti-rape bill brought in by the Mamata government, titled as the Aprajita Women and Child Bill 2024. The bill includes the provision of capital punishment for individuals convicted in rape cases wherein the victim dies or the crime has caused the victim to enter a vegetative state. Now, while the proposed legislation is a step in the right direction, the politics around it in the RG Kar horror is refusing to die down. During a speech in the Bengal Assembly, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee hit out at the BJP, which has been demanding for a resignation. She highlighted the number of crimes that have happened in the BJP-ruled state, saying that the Prime Minister should resign because he is a shame for the entire country.
আগে নরেন্দ্র মোদীকে পদত্যাগ করতে বলুন। নরেন্দ্র মোদী পদত্যাগ চাই, তার কারণ সারা দেশে উনি জাতীয় লজ্জা। আমরা স্যার অমানবিক ঘটনা নিয়ে ওরা রাজনীতি করে, বিচার চায় না। ভারতীয় ন্যায় সেই কারণেই দ্রুত বিচারের জন্য ভারতীয় ন্যায় সংহিতার কয়েকটি ধারায় সংশোধন করে আমরা ধর্ষণের ঘটনায় অপরাধের প্রমাণে সর্বোচ্চ মৃত্যুদণ্ডের সাজা প্রস্তাব করেছি।
Now, while Mamata Banerjee is blaming the Prime Minister, the BJP says that the TMC government is muzzling the media. They point out Section 73 of the draft bill, which says printing or publishing any matter related to court proceedings without permission will be punishable with imprisonment for 3 to 5 years, and a fine can also be imposed. Listen in to the charge that the rapist, not media, will roam free now in Bengal.
Rabindranath Tagoreji's West Bengal, now there is Mamata Banerjee. It is only the Balatkaris who are free. It is only the elements like Sandeep Ghosh who feel empowered. But if you're a doctor, if you're a protester, then either the goons of TMC will try and threaten you, or else the Kolkata police will issue notices to you, or Mamata Banerjee will bring a bill which will put you in jail.
Mamata Banerjee is extremely rattled. She's rattled because both the Supreme Court and the Calcutta High Court exposed her cover-up operation and directed the CBI to investigate the RG Kar rape and murder case, which her administration in the start was calling the case of suicide. Mamata Banerjee needs to understand no sort of intimidation can stop the media, can stop the people of Bengal from asking her relevant questions on the cover-up on RG Kar case.
But the TMC has called it as hailing the passage of the anti-rape bill as a historic moment and appealed the Bengal governor to give his assent to the bill.
असेंबली में इतिहास हो गया। आज देखिए पूरा देश में पहली बार ये बंगाल सरकार, ममता बनर्जी का सरकार एक बिल पास किया, या रेप एंड मर्डर का कड़ी से कड़ी तक पूरा ये लाइफ सेंटेंस टिल डेथ एंड मृत्युदंड, इसका ऊपर बिल पास हो गया। गवर्नर साहब को अभी तुरंत ये बिल वो साइन कर देना चाहिए।
Now, even what the highlights are of this anti-rape bill or the Aprajita bill, where death by penalty for rape, capital punishment for those who have been convicted for rape, time-bound investigation, trials as far as concluding the investigation in rape cases in 21 days, fast-track courts where special courts that have been dedicated to the crimes against women, Aprajita task force that will investigate cases of crime against women, stricter penalties for repeat offenders as it amounts to life imprisonment for repeat offenders, protection of the victims' identities as well, ensuring privacy and dignity, penalties for delaying justice with the police and the health officials who fail to act, publication restrictions. There are strict penalties for unauthorized publication of court proceedings as well.